So just to test the cams to make sure they aren't bent in any way and they're straight, what I did was I took all the lifters out. You can see they're all over here. And I put the camshaft back in and then torqued the risers or the towers here. I torqued those down to 7.5 foot-pounds just so everything is held in place. I took out the lifters so it's not having to compress the spring and we can turn it a lot easier. I have the tensioner in here, and what I'm gonna do is just spin this, and what I'm feeling for is for it to get tough here and then get easier, and then in that same spot get tough again. What that'll mean is it's bent, so it'll get pushed up against, build pressure, and then release, kind of. But if I spin this here, everything feels smooth and consistent. I'm not feeling anything that doesn't seem like it's getting tough in any certain spot, so that's a good sign. It's also easy with a drill if you put it on the end here. It's also kind of cool to watch. So I just wanted to make sure that these camshafts weren't bent before we put a lot of work into fixing this and replacing the valves and doing all the